Good afternoon. I've just been to get some roofing felt, and what else have I got? Some clout nails and some cuprinol. So today's job is fetch all this stuff out from the shed of champions, give it a really good clean out, and then I'm just going to paint the whole of the inside with cuprinol. And while that's drying, I'm going to nip round and patch the outside with the bits of timber I've got laying about on site, of which I have plenty. And then it's I'm going to refelt it, hopefully. It shouldn't take too long. And then paint all the outside. Bit of a lost weekend really with the allotment, because it's mostly just been focusing on the shed, but quite happy I've got it down here. Yeah, that's it for today really. So it's shed and nothing else. First job first, right? That's all my stuff cleared out the shed, and as you can see, it's all a bit sad looking. This is I suppose what happens when a shed's a chicken shed for years and years and years. So hopefully, look, there's holes in the floor where things have crawled through. So I put a bench in, a bit of old scaffold, and I'm going to clean this out and give it a good painting around the inside. So that, oh, can you see that? So that's what we're looking like at the moment. Hopefully it'll look a bit tidier soon. Right. Afternoon. It's got really bright. It's 5:30. It's I was going to say it's lunchtime. It's not lunchtime, is it? It's dinner time, but I'm not eating, so I'm going to stop and have some snap, as they call it in Derbyshire. Yeah, I'll show you around the shed. So I've stripped all the felt off the top of it and taken all the knobbly bits off, all the old clout nails and bits sticking out. Got that splinter out, and I've painted it with like a wood preservative. Oh, you can see it's there. So I've done all the inside, and I've sort of done the head and shoulders of the outside, but I've also painted the roof. The state of the timbers, it was really dry, so I've decided just to put some preservative on those before I refelt it, which is my next job after eating. So yeah, I'll just flip this camera around and I'll show you what I've done. So that's the shed. Looks quite tidy, doesn't it? So everything from about here upwards, including the roof, has had a coat, and I sort of did this bit as well, and half the door. Inside, it looks a lot cleaner. You can see the light coming through the roof. So I must get the felt on tonight in case it rains. It's not give out rain, so pretty sure it won't. But yeah, that looks a lot tidier, doesn't it? So that's the inside of the shed, and then I've gone around outside, and here we go. Not paint, and then the roof, done that as well. As you can see, it's really sort of dry timber. As soon as you put the treatment on it, just seems to soak it straight in. It's like it's really thirsty. Right, so it is, as I've said, 5:30. I have got wood preservative spots all over my face, so it looks like I've gained moles. Next job is eat, then it's refelt that bugger, and then finish with the preservative all the way down to the bottom. And then if I've got time, I might do a little bit of patching as well. I think I might bring that front bit out a little bit, use some of this timber here, bring that front bit out a bit so there's a touch of an overhang at the front so the water's not running straight down into that doorway. Right, that's me. I'll give you an update later. Shed finished. Bloody late though. It's 12 minutes past 8, and we have a repainted, refelted shed on a new base that's broadly level, but not entirely. But hey, what are you going to do? So yeah, I've managed to do literally no gardening this weekend, but the shed is done, so that's brilliant. It's I'm actually starting to lose the light now. And I'm beset by wood pigeons. A bit dramatic. Anyway, that's me for the weekend. I will give you an update when I'm next down here. Cheers.